How you guys doing today? It's Miss Buff on this thing. YouTube. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so today I'm going to go over the Maybelline New York Stiletto mascara, whatever. Let me check. Lash stilettos. Okay, so this stuff is like stilettos, yo. If you're thinking about buying it, buy it. No questions about it. It lasts a long time. Mine is waterproof. It stays on a long time. I prefer to get waterproof only because my eyes can't tolerate it. It's very sensitive for some reason to mascaras that's not waterproof, and waterproof is the only kind of mascara that my eyes can handle. I'm not sure what it's that about. I'm not sure, but I'll stick to the waterproof. However, no clunks, no gumps, no nasty lumps, and no chipmunks. Nah, but it's amazing actually. I got the very black, the darkest black or whatever as you might call it. Like the price was like $13 or $14, $15. I think it dropped about $2 down only because it came out few years ago, maybe more than a few years ago. But I recently just bought it and I think it's fantastic. It's not really much more to say about it besides it's no cons besides the price probably, which any mascara has. Pros, everything is a pro about it. It's sexy. You know you carry this shit around with you? Yo, it's the bomb, diggity. However, I just advise you to buy it if you're like trying to read the review. In one of my next videos, I'll put on this mascara, but I'm not going to do it until the morning because it's pretty late tonight. So, yeah. Thank you. Subscribe.